So this is the registration fee. Okay, next. So how do I know whether I am getting 95% of 85% or data? How do I know that one? So many people what they do, for example, outside you can see 85% you are doing, 80% you are doing. So the people may say that okay, your work is with full of mistakes, 85% of accuracy. So he will keep 500 rupees in jab and 500 rupees he will give you. So what is the guarantee? No sir, I did the work 100% correctness. How to get the full payment only? Okay, no, your data is full of mistakes only, that's what this much of work. Next month you do more concentrated work, then you will get the more money. I did correct only, but what is the calculation method? So how you are calculating that my work is with 85% only? So no, it's like that only. So many people compromised and they are doing the work also.
Right.
But here you can calculate your accuracy and you can make it 100% correctness and you can submit to the company. No issues, right? So here we provide you the working method also, this accuracy calculation method. Look at here, accuracy calculation method, how the accuracy is calculated. Here we are dealing with genuine clients, so we need 100% correctness. If you make more than permitted mistakes as per the plan, it will be counted as an error. Accuracy is calculated as follows. So this is the deduction of accuracy of your errors done. See here we provide you one chart. You have to keep it in mind your chart and you have to work out. See here, errors like extra enters means after paragraph you can apply one enter. No need to apply 2 enters or 3 enters. Okay, after each enter, each 40 enters, 3% will be deducted. That means your accuracy is 97%. Next, extra spaces. In between two words, apply only single space. No need to apply double space or triple space. So each 60 spaces 3% will be deducted. That means your accuracy is 94%. Extra tabs, each 30 tabs 3% of deduction.
That means if I do 30 extra tabs, then this is it.
Exactly.
30. If I do 5 tabs, no problem.
No deduction. Up to 39 enters, no deduction of your accuracy.
Okay.
And up to after 40th only 3%.
Right.
Up to 79 also only 3% only.
Right.
Okay. Once 80 crosses means again 3%. Okay. These are 30 tabs means, so up to 29 also not an issue. Okay, and this is the accuracy on total project, not on single page. In single page we are applying this 40 enters means where it goes the page. Okay, this is the accuracy on total project it is. Okay, and this is the extra shift enters 2% like this. So you have to your accuracy will be calculated.
Project means 1 day's work or 1
month work.
1 month.
1 month total project, 250 files or 300 files or 600 pages. Okay. Now this is the spelling errors. So all you need is you have to take care of only spelling error. It is 1.3 for each error, and from here to here the middle word is there. Those who are working neglectfully, for that people only they will get line missings or word missings or etc. Okay, so this all you need is you have to perform this one. Per page 20 rupees, 200 rupees we are giving means for that reason only. It is customer responsibility to take care of the data. Without spelling errors we have to perform the data. Because here spelling error in the sense you need not to correct anything. So jo hai data or type karo.
Right.
So even if you find any mistake, type the mistake only, which is very easy.
Right.
Type the data first. You may commit so many errors. Then once again you have to verify your data. Okay, so this is the error checking method. This is the calculation method. Now you please check it out 1 minute this one. Sincerely you are performing the data. Okay, to bring required accuracy, whether it is possible or not. Yeah, please check it out and tell me. If you have any doubts in this area, you may ask us, I will tell you.
No, clear.
Very clear?
Yes.
Once again check it out. So if we are working sincerely, so work possibility is there or not?
Yeah,
It's there, right? So just it is your assumption only. So assumption is different and the reality is different. 100% there is no possibility. Possibility is not there and it is real. Outside wherever you go, they can assume A4 में टाइप करके टाइम से में टाइप करके दे दो बोल के बोलेगा ओके मैं कर सकता हूँ बोल के ले लेगा. So work goes to rejection only. Some people may show you the calculation method also. Even though you will get into problem, okay ये पूरा कर सकते हैं बोल के आप लेगा, लेकिन your work goes to rejection. See, just if we dig into in depth, see, now up to here customer can perform perfect work without having any problem. But if you don't know how to handle these 3 to 4 options, you will get into problem.
Right.
Because see here, so extra enters, so after one paragraph apply only one enter. So what 40 enters का है ना, no problem चलेगा बोल के so सोचते हैं आप. The result is totally different. See, in this work, so each and every file you have to apply shift enter, right? You are performing 300 pages of work and you are doing the work with 45 to 35 to 45 speed. So while applying the shift enter, sometimes it may go for enter, right? Look at here. You are performing the data here and each and every line contains shift enter. 35 45 speed you are working the data, sometimes it may go enter option.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so you cannot analyze that one, you cannot find it out. Okay, somewhere here also one enter. Okay, one page one extra enter. 300 pages you are performing, how many extra enters?
300.
300 extra enters means so around 20 to 30% gone, right? And one more thing, so for example each page you are not performing one extra enter, 2 pages one extra enter, socho. Then 150 extra enters for 300 files means so it will go for around 10 to 20% गायब हो जाएगा इधर ही, right? And extra spaces in between two words apply only single space. I told you, look at here. Now here I am applying some spaces, look at here.
Yeah, I understand.
Now you please tell me here how many spaces are there?
That symbol is there, you know, that will show you everything.
Which one? Yeah. So for example, without that one, how to analyze this one? Can you analyze how many spaces are there?
No.
Approximately. By seeing that area and something.
Oh yeah,
something.
okay, I can analyze something. I'll have to think what is maybe
Approximately 30 spaces, 25 to 30 or 30 to 40. Okay, but we cannot say exactly that how many spaces we are there here. But so if you are unable to explain how many spaces are there in our work also, we cannot analyze how many spaces are extra, single space only applied. Alright, somewhere we may apply extra spaces, 35 45 स्पीड से काम कर रहे बोले तो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस जाने का चांस तो रहता. One page one extra space. So what happens, you will get into problem only 300 pages 300 extra spaces, 2 pages 1 extra space. So even though your work goes to rejection only, 30 to 40% goes here only.
Right.
And next, extra tabs, if you are unable to apply this one also, so easily you can get 100 to 200 extra tabs. Right. 30 to 40% goes off. And here also, here 20% 20% gone. So how much you will get? 40%. So you may get or you may not get. Okay, we cannot say compulsory. So 40% आ रहा, कस्टमर हैप्पी हो जाएगा? नहीं. 40% को कितना सैलरी आता? 2 rupees or 3 rupees per page. So customer क्या बोलेगा? Sir, so I cannot do this work next because sincerely I am doing, even though I am getting the errors. So I want to go for other source only. Even if you provide the work sincerely, freely only, customer cannot do the work. Now I will provide the data, so freely only you cannot perform the work. Alright, so right now 3 minutes back we assumed that we can possibility is there. Now it is no possibility, it will go to rejection only. Okay, now customer says that these 3 to 4 errors intentionally I am not doing anything. So I am doing sincerely, but unknowingly it going the data, but I am not responsible for these errors, customer says. Right. So but for computer, mistake is mistake, right? Right. So customer says that if I have any error checking tools or any softwares to get rid of all these errors, then I can perform the work. Okay, so here we provide you the error checking tools to get rid of all these errors and you can bring 100% of accuracy. Okay, now I will show you the error checking tools here. Okay.